Hi, my name is attorney Jillian Ingraham of the law firm of Baillie Hershman. In today's short video, I'm going to address the topic of the ins and outs of solar panels and why it's important to you and your real estate clients. Especially as a listing agent, solar panels can be complex. First and foremost, solar panels should always be referenced on the MLS even if they are not shown in photos. It will need to be determined if they are leased, owned, or financed. Sellers need to know if a lease is transferable or if it has to be bought out at closing, and similar applies to financing. Some solar panels need to be paid off in full at closing. If the panels are already owned, it just needs to be determined if there's any additional steps necessary to transfer to the purchaser. As a note, if panels are leased, that needs to be included in the property disclosures under fixtures that are leased, similar to a water tank. As a matter of practice, you should recommend that sellers contact their solar panel company prior to listing to find out what is required so there are no surprises along the way. If you are representing the buyers, you need to know everything previously mentioned if possible, but if the buyer intends to take over a lease or purchase agreement, it is important to make sure that they qualify. Solar panel companies run their own credit checks and they have their own due diligence, so buyers just need to know what to expect. Buyers will also want to make sure that their permits are pulled and closed for the solar panel and that they are legally compliant with zoning. This will all be covered in a municipal search with your attorney, but if a buyer has any concerns about solar panels, this should all be checked for at town hall prior to entering into the contract to save any issues. While there are many other ins and outs relating to solar panels, we can't cover it all today. So if you have any questions, please reach out to any of the attorneys at Baillie Hershman and we would all be happy to speak to you further.